السلام علیکم ڈیئر اسٹوڈنٹس لرنر کمپیٹیٹیو ایگزام میں خوش آمدید. ٹوڈے وی ول ڈسکس اسلامیات میجر ایونٹس آف اسلامک ہسٹری. لاسٹ ٹائم ہم نے عباسیڈ کیلیفٹ کے شروعات ڈسکس کیے تھے. آج ہم اس سے آگے ڈسکس کرتے ہیں. تو 755 میں ریوولٹ آف عبداللہ بن علی، murder of Abu Muslim, Sambad revolt in Khorasan. 756 عبد الرحمن found the Umayyad state in Spain. کیونکہ ان کی جو یہ امیاد ڈائنیسٹی تھی یہ ادھر مڈل ایسٹ میں ختم ہو چکی تھی. 762 شیعہ ریوولٹ انڈر محمد نفس الزکیہ اینڈ ابراہیم. 762 foundation of Baghdad, defeat of the Abbasid in Spain. 767 Kharij state set up by Madrar at Sijil Masa. Ustad sees revolt in Khorasan. 772 Battle of Jambi in North Africa. Rustamid state set up in Morocco. 775 death are the Abbasid Caliph of Mansur. Accession of Mehdi. 777 Battle of Saragossa in Spain. 785 death of Caliph Mehdi. Accession of Hadi. 786 death of Hadi. Accession of Harun Rashid. 788 Idrisid state set up in Maghrib. Death of Abdurrahman of Spain and accession of Hisham. 792 invasion of South France. 796 death of Hisham in Spain. Accession of Hakam. 799 suppression of the revolt of the Khazars. 9th century. 800 the Aghlabid rule is established in North Africa. 807 downfall of Barmakids, execution of Jafir Barmaki. 805 campaign against the Byzantine, capture of the island of Rhodes and Cyprus. 809 death of Harunur Rashid, accession of Amin. 814 civil war between Amin and Mamun. Amin killed and Mamun becomes the caliph. 815 Shia revolt under Ibn Tabs. 816 Shia revolt in Makkah. Harsama quells the revolt. In Spain, the Umayyads captured the island of Corsica. 817 Harsama killed. 818 Umayyad Caliph of Spain captured the island of Izira, Majorca and Sardinia. 819 Mamun comes to Baghdad. 820 Tahir establishes the rule of Tahiris in Khorasan. 822 death of Al-Hakam in Spain, accession of Abdurrahman II. 823 death of Tahir in Khorasan, accession of Talha and his deposition, accession of Abdullah bin Tahir. 827 Mamun declares the Mutazila creed as the state religion. 833 death of Mamun, accession of Mutasim Billah. 836 Mutasim shifts the capital to Samara. 837 revolt of Jats. 838 revolts of Babek in Azerbaijan suppressed. 839 revolt of Mazyar in Tabaristan. The Muslim occupy South Italy. capture of the city of Messina in Sicily, 842 death of Mutasim, accession of Wasik, 843 revolts of the Arabs, 843 death of Wasik, accession of Mutawakkil, 850 Mutawakkil restores orthodoxy, 849 death of Tahirid rules Abdullah bin Tahir, accession of Tahir II, 852 death of Abdurrahman II of Spain, accession of Muhammad I, 856 Umar bin Abdulaziz founds the Habarid rule in Sindh, 858 Mutawakkil founds the town of Jafriya, 860 Ahmad founds the Samanid rule in Transoxiana, 861 murder of the Abbasid Caliph Mutawakkil, accession of Muntasir, 862 Muntasir poisoned to death, accession of Mutasin, 864 Zaydi state established in Tabaristan by Hassan bin Zaid, 866 Mutasim flies from Samara, his deposition and accession of Mutaz, 867 Yaqub bin Layth found the Safarid rule in Sistan, 868 Ahmad bin Tulun found the Tulunid rule in Egypt, 869 the Abbasid Caliph Mutad forced to abdicate, his death and accession of Muhtadi, 870 Turk revolts against Muhtadi, his death and accession of Mutamid, 873 Tahrid rule extinguished, 874 Zanj revolt in South Iraq, death of Samanid ruler Ahmad, accession of Nasr, 877 death of Yaqub Lays in Sistan, accession of Amr bin Lays, 885 death of Ahmad bin Tulun in Egypt, accession of Khamar Viaya, 866 death of Muhammad I, the Umayyad ruler of Spain, accession of Munzir, death of Abdullah bin Umar, the Habari ruler of Sindh, 888 death of Munzir, the Umayyad ruler of Spain, accession of Abdullah, 891 the Karamatian state established at Bahrain, 892 death of Samanid ruler Nasr, accession of Ismail, 894 the Rustamids become the vassals of Spain, 896 death of Tulunid ruler Khamariviya, accession of Abul Askar Jaish, 897 assassination of Abul Askir Jaish, accession of Abu Musa Harun, 898 Karamatian sack Basra, 902 death of Abbasid Caliph Muqtafi, death of the Safarid ruler Amr, 903 assassination of the Karamatian ruler Abu Sa'id, accession of Abu Tahir, 905 Abdullah bin Hamdan founds the Hamdanid rule in Mosul and Jazira, end of Tulunid rule in Egypt, 907 death of Abbasid Caliph Muqtafi, accession of Muqtadir, 908 end of Safarid rule, annexation of their territory by the Samanids, 909 Ubaidullah overthrew the Aghlabids and found the Fatimid rule in North Africa. 912 Death of Umayyad Amir Abdullah in Spain. Accession of Abdur Rahman III. 913 Assassination of the Samanid ruler Ahmad II. Accession of Nasr II. 928 Mardawij bin Ziyar found the Ziyarid rule in Tabaristan. 829 Karamatian sacks Makkah and carry away the black stone from the Holy Kaaba. In Spain, Abdurrahman III declares himself as the Caliph. 930 Deposition and restoration of the Abbasid Caliph Muqtadir. Death of the Karamatian ruler Abu Tahir. Accession of Abu Mansur. 932 Death of Abbasid Caliph Muqtadir. Accession of Al-Tahir. 934 Deposition of Abbasid Caliph Al-Qahir. Accession of Ar-Radi. Death of Fatimid Caliph Ubaidullah. Accession of Al-Qaim. 935 Assassination of the Ziyarid ruler Mardawij. Accession of Hashimgir. Death of Hamdanid ruler Abdullah bin Hamdan. Accession of Nasirud-Dawla. 936 by coup Ibn Raq becomes the Amirul Umrah. 938 by another coup power at Baghdad is captured by Bajkam. 940 Death of Abbasid Caliph Ar-Radi. Accession of Muttaqi. 941 Assassination of Bajkam. Capture of power by Kurtakin. 942 Ibn Raq recapture power. 943 Al-Bedi capture power. The Abbasid Caliph Muttaqi is forced to seek refuge with the Hamdanids. Sailud-Dawla capture power at Baghdad and the Caliph returned to Baghdad. Power is captured by Tazun and Sailud-Dawla retire to Mosul. Death of Samanid ruler Nasir II. Accession of Nuhu. 944 Muttaqi is blinded and deposed. Accession of Mustaqafi. 945 Death of Tuzun. Shirzad becomes Amirul Umrah. The Buwayhids capture power. Deposition of Abbasid Caliph Mustaqafi. تو ڈیئر اسٹوڈنٹ یہ عباسید کیلف ابھی جاری ہے، انشاءاللہ نیکسٹ ویڈیو میں سے کمپلیٹ کریں گے، اور اس کے بعد جتنی بھی امپورٹنٹ ایونٹس ہوئے ہیں اسلامک ہسٹری میں وہ ڈسکس کریں گے۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈنٹ نوٹ کر لیں کہ یہ بہت زیادہ امپورٹنٹ MCQs بن سکتے ہیں، تو ان کو اچھے سے تیار کرنا ہے۔ تو ملتے ہیں نیکسٹ ویڈیو میں، تب تک اپنا خیال رکھیے گا۔ اللہ حافظ۔